Try our easy recipe for proper British fish and chips using our delicious Beer Battered Cod Fillets. Let's cook the UK's favourite, chips. That's chips, not fries. We Brits make them nice and chunky. Peel quality white potatoes and cut into roughly half-inch slices. Then place them in cold water to soak. After 10 minutes, remove the chips and drain well. Now mix the chips with some canola oil and season. Lovely. British fish and chips begins with the best fish. At Young's, we've been preparing fantastic seafood for over 200 years. Place a succulent fish fillet coated in our famous crisp bubbly batter on a wire rack. Bake along with the chips at 450 Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. British fish and chips is only truly authentic when accompanied by a side of mushy peas. Sounds weird, but you'll be converted once you've tasted this British classic. Season with sea salt and some malt vinegar. There you go. Proper fish and chips, British style.